This week, we're diving deep into the future of intelligent systems as we explore the top trending MCP servers projects that are redefining AI agent capabilities. Get ready to discover how the Model Context Protocol MCP is powering everything from unified chat platforms and developer tools to browser extensions and Slack bots. We'll break down each project, showing how they connect various language models and tools, making AI more flexible, controllable, and powerful than ever before. Let's jump in. Project number 1, Dolphin MCP, Unified Natural Language CLI and Python client for Model Context Protocol servers. In today's video, we're exploring Dolphin MCP, a unique AI agent tool that acts as a powerful bridge between various Model Context Protocol MCP servers and language models. What makes Dolphin stand out is its multi-server support combined with natural language tool calling. Whether you're running OpenAI, Anthropic, Llama, or LM Studio LLMs, Dolphin MCP lets you connect all through a single Python library or command line interface, streamlining seamless interaction with your favorite tools. Instead of writing endless integration code to manage different LLM APIs and each server's communication quirks, Dolphin MCP offers a high-level, unified API for tool discovery, invocation, and context handling. It scans and collects available tools from multiple configured MCP servers, intelligently exposes them to the LLM, and lets the model decide which tools to call, all transparently. Another standout feature is its dual interface. Use Dolphin as a straightforward CLI with interactive prompts or embed its library in Python scripts for programmatic control. The CLI offers a conversational interface. Type your query, and Dolphin routes it to the right model and toolchain behind the scenes. But here's the real game changer. Dolphin enables dynamic routing of calls based on task type. Want sentiment analysis on customer feedback? Dolphin might pick one LLM. Need data extraction from your own MCP tools? It'll route accordingly. You define servers in a config file, and Dolphin handles model switching, tool listing, function calling orchestration, and contextual conversation flow, all in a few lines. That means less boilerplate and more focus on deploying intelligent multimodal workflows. Whether you're prototyping tough AI pipelines or building production-grade agents, Dolphin MCP provides a scalable, maintainable foundation. Project number 2, MCP Chatbot, a CLI demo for agentic AI using the Model Context Protocol. We're exploring MCP Chatbot, a standout CLI-based chatbot that demonstrates the power of the Model Context Protocol in enabling LLMs to become flexible, tool-using agents. What makes this project truly unique is its seamless integration of any OpenAI-compatible LLM, think GPT-4o Mini or Llama, while dynamically discovering and invoking external tools via MCP servers. You define the available tools in your system prompt, and the chatbot automatically pulls their method definitions and descriptions right into the conversation. One of the coolest features is multi-server support. The chatbot reads a simple JSON configuration, letting it connect to multiple MCP servers, each exposing different capabilities like browsing, math, or database access. That means your bot isn't just responding, it's reasoning, acting, and leveraging real-world functionality on the fly. And since it adheres to MCP, it can work with any LLM that supports the OpenAI API style, making it incredibly flexible. What also sets it apart is the agentic setup. The chatbot automatically injects tool descriptions into the system prompt, picks the right tool at runtime, and requests tool execution via JSON RPC. The results get returned, and the LLM then incorporates the output into its answer, creating a smooth feedback loop that feels like a true intelligent assistant. From a practical standpoint, it's easy to use. Just Python 3.10.op, a JSON config file, and your LLM. Whether you're building tool-enabled agents, experimenting with LLM orchestration, or teaching yourself agent design, MCP Chatbot is a polished, lightweight launcher. In short, MCP Chatbot shines because it's a zero-friction, extensible demo of tool-aware AI, combining multi-server tool discovery, LLM compatibility, and an agentic architecture, all packed into a simple CLI you can run in minutes. Project number 3, DeepChat, a smart unified AI chat platform for desktop and web. We're exploring DeepChat, a unique AI assistant platform that stands out because it combines multimodal flexibility, rich multimodal interactions, and advanced tool integrations, all in one polished application. What sets DeepChat apart is its ability to let users seamlessly switch between powerful cloud LLMs like OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropic, and local models like Llama. That means no more hopping between separate apps. You get an integrated interface where your favorite models live side by side. But DeepChat doesn't stop at text. It supports full multimodal chats. You can send images, record audio, even speak directly into the app. Plus, it handles speech to text and text to speech, bringing a natural conversational experience that feels more like talking to a colleague than typing to a bot. What really gives DeepChat an edge is its tool calling and search enhancement. Built-in support for MCP lets you invoke external tools, like executing code snippets or web access right within a chat. And its custom search integration ensures your answers aren't just powered by pre-trained models, but contextually fresh and accurate. On top of that, DeepChat is cross-platform, running on Windows, macOS, Linux, and even in web UIs via its NPM packages. Developers can embed it into any front-end stack, React, Vue, Angular, with just one line of code. Everything is customizable, from avatars to markdown rendering, making it perfect for both personal usage and white-label deployment. Finally, DeepChat is privacy-conscious and open-source under Apache 2.0. You decide where data lives, keep it local, or route it through your server, and you can customize or contribute directly to the project. So if you're looking for a next-level AI chat experience, whether you're a developer, power user, or just curious, DeepChat brings model-agnostic flexibility, expressive media features, built-in tools, and deployment freedom that make it truly stand out. Project number 4, HyperChat. Next-gen AI workspace with AI as code. We're spotlighting HyperChat, a groundbreaking open-source AI agent platform that truly stands out by treating AI behavior like code. What makes HyperChat unique is its visionary AI as code philosophy. Every AI agent, tool, and workflow is defined in YAML or JSON configuration files, not hidden behind UIs or proprietary ecosystems. That means AI behaviors are version-controlled, shareable, mergeable, and audible, just like your application code. HyperChat structures everything around workspace directories, so each project has its own .hyperchat folder with its specific configuration. You can easily switch workspaces, invoke different agents, or replicate exact AI environments across teams, all without manual setup. Plus, it supports the Model Context Protocol MCP ecosystem, enabling seamless plugin support like file access, terminal use, knowledge bases, fully configured in the same declarative way. The platform works across all your favorite environments: a web app, a native desktop client via Electron, a command line interface, and even a VS Code plugin with WebView UI. That means you can chat with Claude, GPT-4, Gemini, Qwen, or other LLMs, load productivity plugins, schedule agent tasks, and manage everything from within code-centric workflows. What truly sets HyperChat apart is this: you now have full transparency and control over your AI agents. Want to tweak how your chatbot reads the file system? Edit a config. Want to roll back an agent's behavior? Just revert a commit. Want to share a proven AI template with your team? Push your HyperChat folder to Git. It's AI collaboration built for developers, blending infrastructure-style practices with intelligent agent tooling. So if you're tired of black box AI tools and want a reproducible, configurable, and workspace-driven AI ecosystem, HyperChat is a powerful leap forward. Project number 5, MCP Client-CLI, terminal-powered AI with Model Context Protocol. We're looking at MCP Client-CLI, a standout tool that brings the power of LLMs straight to your terminal, integrated with the Model Context Protocol MCP. What makes this project truly unique is how it seamlessly blends multi-provider model support, tool invocation intelligence, and terminal-first design, creating a slick, no-GUI experience. First off, MCP Client-CLI supports a wide range of LLM providers, OpenAI, Grok, even local Llama-based models, through one consistent JSON config. So you can switch from GPT-4 to a local Llama model without changing your commands or prompts. That multi-provider flexibility is rare in CLI-based AI tools. Next, it's built around the Model Context Protocol, enabling advanced integrations like web search, YouTube summarization, fetching content by connecting to MCP-compatible servers. With a simple terminal prompt, the CLI can trigger tools, ask for confirmation, and inject real-time data into AI responses. It's like having a smart agent in your shell, pulling in context when needed. Its user-friendly CLI features stand out too. You can pipe in text or images, use clipboard input, apply prompt templates like p-review or p-commit, and continue conversations, all with simple flags. This mix of rich input types and scripting flexibility makes it powerful for both interactive use and automation. Finally, configuration is clean and flexible. JSON config files with support for comments, environment variable overrides, per tool confirmation rules, and local or global placement. This keeps everything transparent and customizable. In short, MCP Client-CLI is unique because it brings full-blown AI assistant capabilities, multi-LLM support, tool invocation via MCP, flexible inputs, and shell automation into your terminal. No UI, no fuss, just smart, context-aware interaction right from your prompt. If you want a powerful, terminal-centric AI workflow that bridges models and tools, this is the tool to watch. Project number 6. MCP Client-Slackbot, powering Slack with tool-aware AI via Model Context Protocol. We're spotlighting MCP Client-Slackbot, a smart Slackbot that makes AI in Slack much more powerful by connecting language models to real tools. What makes this project truly unique is its seamless integration with the Model Context Protocol, MCP. It's not just another chatbot. Instead of giving generic replies, it can run real actions like querying an SQLite database, fetching web pages, or running custom utilities, all triggered by your conversation in Slack. Another standout feature is multi-LLM support. Whether you're using OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, or Grok models, this Slackbot handles them all through the same interface. That means you get flexibility in AI engines without switching code or retraining configurations. And it doesn't stop there. This bot includes an app home in Slack, offering users an intuitive UI to view available tools, get usage tips, and keep track of ongoing workflows. What really sets it apart is its context-aware tool discovery and execution. When a user sends a message, the bot not only understands the request via an LLM, but also checks which tools are available over MCP, invokes them, and integrates the results back into the Slack thread, all in one smooth flow. Think of asking, what were yesterday's error logs, and getting a bot that pulls the logs for you automatically with zero manual setup. In a nutshell, MCP Client-Slackbot turns Slack into an integrated AI-powered workspace. It combines conversational intelligence with practical tool access, delivering smarter, more actionable responses. If you want a Slack assistant that can actually do things, not just chat, this project is a game changer. Project number 7. MCP SuperAssistant. Bring real-world tools into any AI chat with one browser extension. We're exploring MCP SuperAssistant, an innovative Chrome Firefox extension that truly changes how we interact with AI chat platforms by integrating the Model Context Protocol, MCP, directly in browser. What sets this project apart is its ability to turn every conversation on ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Grok, AI Studio, GitHub Copilot, Mistral, DeepSeek, Kagi, T3 Chat, and more into a powerful command center for real tools. No switching tabs or copy-pasting required. This tool auto-detects when the AI proposes using an MCP tool, then executes it via a local proxy server or SSE-based connection, and seamlessly injects the results back into the chat. That means you can ask ChatGPT to fetch a file from your system, run a search query, or trigger a Zapier workflow and get the output right where you're chatting. What makes it even more compelling is its plugin-based architecture and platform versatility. The extension supports multiple hosting modes, auto or manual execution, hover to insert results, and smart preferences, so power users can fine-tune exactly how it behaves in each environment. Plus, with recent updates, it now supports Kimi, Zapier, Composio, WebSocket, and even direct SSE support. No proxy needed. The project has gained massive momentum, 1K stars and 10K monthly active users in just 2 months, and users report up to 10 co-productivity improvements when building MCP workflows across thousands of apps. In short, MCP SuperAssistant transforms AI chats into true interfaces for real-world tasks, letting you call tools and retrieve live data without leaving your chat window. If you're creating AI-powered videos, building smarter workflows, or just want to supercharge your developer productivity, this extension is a game changer that elevates AI from conversation to action instantly. Project number 8, NextChat. Lightweight, cross-platform AI assistant supporting GPT-4, Gemini, Claude, and more. We're diving into NextChat, an open-source AI assistant that stands out by offering a fast, privacy-focused chat interface across web, desktop, and mobile, all while letting you choose from multiple AI models under one roof. What makes this tool unique is its multi-model support. You can seamlessly switch between OpenAI's GPT-4, Google's Gemini Pro, Anthropic's Claude, and others in the same app. That flexibility means you're not locked to a single provider, you pick the best engine for your task. NextChat is also incredibly lightweight, The client is just around 5 megabytes with a super quick load time, a 100 gigabyte initial payload, making it feel snappy even on slower connections. Plus, it supports streaming responses, so you see AI answers word by word in real time rather than waiting for a full reply. Privacy is front and center. All chat data is stored locally in your browser by default, reducing risk and giving you full control over your information. For power users, you can also self-host models like Llama, GPT-4all, or RWKV, ideal for offline use or sensitive environments. On top of that, NextChat brings a rich feature set: Markdown, LaTeX, mermaid diagrams, code highlighting, prompt templates, masks, an awesome prompt library, and support for long chat histories with intelligent compression. It's also available on web, PWA, desktop via Atari, and mobile platforms, plus supports dark mode and responsive design. Finally, it's one-click deployable on platforms like Vercel or Ziaber, so you can spin up your own private instance in under a minute. In short, NextChat blends lightweight UI, model versatility, user privacy, and cross-platform reach. For anyone wanting a modern DIY ChatGPT-like tool without being tied to one model or vendor, NextChat is definitely a standout choice. Project number 9, Kibitz, the coding agent for professionals. We're exploring Kibitz, an AI-powered coding assistant that raises the bar on developer productivity by connecting language models with real-time code context. What makes Kibitz unique isn't just that it chats with you. It taps into the Model Context Protocol, MCP, to access live code environments, file system tools, and external APIs. This means it's not just guessing, it's working directly with your project's actual files and tools via MCP servers like WCGW, enabling automated tasks like running linters, building code, or even committing changes, all through conversational prompt. Kibitz supports both Anthropic and OpenAI APIs, and you connect via WebSocket-enabled MCP clients, giving you a responsive chat interface that knows your codebase intimately. Unlike regular chatbots, Kibitz can edit, run, and debug code in real time, streamlining DevOps workflows directly from your terminal or IDE. No more tedious context switches between tools. One feature we love is its per-project configuration. API keys, system prompts, and which MCP agents to run are all saved per workspace, so you get tailored AI behavior optimized for each project. Pair that with its mobile flexibility through tools like Kinode, and you can interact with your code wherever you are. In short, Kibitz stands out because it bridges the gap between conversational AI and real-world development workflows. It doesn't just answer coding questions, it executes them. Want to refactor a function, fix a build error, analyze code hotspots, or run tests? Just ask Kibitz. By integrating with MCP servers and accessing live context, it acts less like a chatbot and more like a pair programmer that's always available. If you want an AI collaborator that actually works with your code and not just about it, Kibitz is a game changer. Project number 10, MCPOmni Connect, a universal AI agent runtime for Model Context Protocol. We're diving into MCPOmni Connect, a truly unique AI agent framework that stands out by orchestrating multi-agent workflows across different MCP servers, all through a smart unified CLI or back-end integration. What makes it unique is its ability to treat each connected MCP server as a tool agent. Whether you're in chat mode or running autonomous plans, MCPOmni intelligently routes tasks, chains tools, and manages complex workflows seamlessly. Next, let's talk agent modes. In React Agent Mode, MCPOmni autonomously reasons through tasks, invoking tools and iterating without human input. Orchestrator mode takes it further. Across multiple servers, it plans, delegates, and executes multi-step actions in parallel when possible. You can also switch to interactive chat mode, keeping you in control with approval workflows and step-by-step guidance, ideal for debugging or hands-on experimentation. The multi-protocol support is another standout. MCPOmni connects via SDDO, server-sent events, or streamable HTTP, all configurable including OAuth and token-based authentication. That flexibility lets it tap into local or cloud-hosted MCP servers without friction. Plus, it embeds easily into Python backends like Fast API, offering full agent orchestration inside your own apps. Under the hood, it's powered by LiteLM for unified access to over 100 LLMs, OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Grok, and more, with automatic context handling, dynamic tool discovery, and fallback logic like React when models lack function calling. It even includes memory with Redis or chat history, secure prompt management, and usage monitoring to keep everything transparent and traceable. So what sets MCPOmni Connect apart? It's the only platform that lets you orchestrate intelligent multi-agent, multi-tool workflows through a single interface, CLI or API, across any MCP server. If you're building LLM-powered systems and need true modularity, autonomy, and scale, this is the framework you've been waiting for. And that wraps up our deep dive into these incredible MCP projects. From streamlining multi-LLM workflows with Dolphin MCP to transforming your browser into an AI command center with MCP SuperAssistant and more. If you're building, experimenting, or just curious about the next generation of AI, these projects are essential. What was your favorite MCP tool? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge AI. See you next time.